In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted, causing a year without a summer. Crops failed and famine loomed. But in Switzerland, Mary Shelley and friends turned adversity into creativity. Stuck indoors, they shared ghost stories, sparking Shelley's Frankenstein. This tale of overcoming challenges with strategic creativity shows how even dire situations can inspire innovation. What if Tambora hadn't erupted? Would Frankenstein exist? This historical twist reminds us that challenges can lead to unexpected brilliance. The eruption's impact on climate and culture is still studied today, proving that even chaos can birth creativity.